What are RESTful API status codes?
RESTful APIs use status codes to communicate the outcome of a request between a client and a server. Each code has a specific meaning that helps developers understand whether the request succeeded, encountered an error, or needs further action. Knowing these codes is essential for debugging and building reliable applications.
Success codes 200, 201, and 204.
200 OK means the request succeeded and the server returned the requested data. 201 created is used when a new resource is successfully created, such as after a post request. 204 no content indicates success but no response body is returned, commonly after a successful delete operation.
Client error codes 400, 401, 403, and 404.
This 400 bad request means the server could not process the request due to invalid syntax. The 401 unauthorized signals that authentication is required. The 403 forbidden shows that the server understood the request, but access is denied. The 404 not found means the requested resource does not exist.
Server error codes 500 and 503.
500 internal server error is a generic response for unexpected server problems. 503 service unavailable appears when the server cannot handle the request, often because it is overloaded or down for maintenance. Both codes indicate issues on the server side, not with the client's request.
Why status codes matter?
Understanding API status codes helps developers diagnose issues, handle errors gracefully, and build robust communication between clients and servers. By recognizing the meaning behind each code, you can create more user-friendly applications and streamline troubleshooting during development.